I just received these Simba Lighting Halogen R7S 78mm T3 double-ended 120 volt 100 watt 5-piece bulbs in the mail. I hope these aren't damaged. Okay. Oh wow, okay, each of these comes in a separate container. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting all in one pack. Okay, so if you take a look at this, very nice packaging, right? Halogen lamp R7S 78mm T3. So I'm gonna explain a little bit about what this light is about. So these are the halogen R7S, means it's double-ended recessed single contact linear. 78mm means the size, which is about 3.07 inches, and there are typically two sizes: 78mm, 118 millimeters. And this is 100 watts dimmable, so mine says it doesn't handle anything more than 150 watts. You have to pay close attention to that. The J style, okay, so the T3 means it's tubular bulb versus your regular bulb shape like a balloon. Just J style, so this is actually J style, which basically means double-ended, commonly used for security lighting. So I'm gonna open one of these packaging. I hope it's not broken or anything like that, but since it's packaged inside a box and also inside a box, it looks good to me right there. See? Oh, by the way, handle with care. Ooh, almost touching my bare hands, the bulb. I actually should have worn gloves. So I'm gonna try not to touch the actual glass filament section. Okay. So this measures the 3.07 inches roughly. It's a Simba lighting, 178 millimeters, 120 volts, 100 watts. And this is dimmable. Just to confirm, none of these were damaged during shipping. After all, it's wrapped up in so many layers of protection now. So here we have the new light versus the old light. So it's time to replace the bulbs on these emergency lights. As you can see on the bottom, you need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw. So it's time to replace the bulbs on these emergency lights. As you can see on the bottom, you need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw. Always turn off the main breaker when working with electricity. Alright, so once I remove the screw, it unveils this J type of light bulb. As you can see down here, it says caution, 150 watts max. Okay, so to remove it, I would suggest wearing gloves. So this is called a J style T2. To remove it, you simply hold it in the middle, squeeze one end until it comes out completely, and this is the old bulb. I'm wearing safety gloves because I don't want to get any oil onto the bulb because it would damage it and make it burn out quicker. So insert, you do everything in reverse, simply slide one side in until it connects. I'll try to get the other side in. Okay, I got it in.
Cũng ngon xích cái đấy. Ồ. Giờ luôn. Why this?
Looks like the light came on.
Hey.
See, it's a motion sensor light.